Yo, yo, yo. Low risk pre market entry here. Terrible entry. Nice trigger. Terrible entry. I should basically be out break even here. Actually mistook this line for this line. So let's just kill this right quick. Get in the proper trade here. %50 of this swing, almost to 50% of the larger swing. We're at this supply level. Yeah. Um, Interesting. That's a 5-minute FEG. Okay, let's just chill out here. Just chill out a little bit. Okay, that's an indication right there. 925 is pushing down. Already expecting bearish price action right now. I think we're just due to rebalance here a little bit lower. Also seek and destroy London. Took out the highs and the lows of Asia. So I'm thinking AM is going to take out the highs and the lows. So I think we're coming down here. Flip the day bearish and then consolidate or resume our trend. But I think we're due for a little bit of a pullback, clearly. Nice liquidity down here. So that's what's up. 15-second chart. Need a trigger. No trigger, no trade. I'm not going to chase. Technically, we got a trigger on a higher time frame. 1 minute here, which was the trade that I was in. Kind of rushed it, but it turned out to be a good trade. It just, the chart, I like the look of it when I got in. So let's see. It's got to be patient. This could be sucking in shorts, sweep them at the open, and then dump. So really got to wait to kind of the last minute here to do this trade. Mm-hmm. Alrighty. Yesterday's highs just above this level. Kind of a cliffhanger here. Last up close bar. Father God, we just thank you for this wonderful day. This beautiful day. Let me post my stream link. 3 minutes until market opens. That trade I was in when we started the stream looking good now, huh? My active management of trades is terrible. Just gonna be fully honest about that at this point. I am very good at taking my shots, but not so much with the active trade management. Something I'm working on. See, kind of a small range still. Looks big, but it's nothing too special here. Interesting. So almost a long trigger here. Took the liquidity right before open and almost a long trigger. I'm going to buy this and try to get break even. Give myself a little bit of room. Targeting yesterday's highs. Actually, let's target this swing. This is a really small range. I'm going to target this. All right, market is opening and pushing up. Get. Obviously, I'm aggressively trailing my stop because we're at the open. It can reverse very hard, very fast. So there's no need to give back any of this. This is basically free money. Thank you very much. So anytime right before open you get a sweep of liquidity within this like 2.5 minute window here, that's usually a good indication that they're about to go in the other direction. So I actually still do like shorts from here. Question is do I want to give this open a minute to sort of emotionally F the noobs? Let's not be a noob. Excuse me. Boom, there we go. Oh no, look at that. Short trigger? Short trigger right there. Oh, just like that. Super tight risk right here, but not the greatest short trigger either. It looked really nice. It closed kind of funny. Let's zoom out just a bit. What are we working with here? Okay. All right, 50% of this range is getting kind of violated. Fair value gap here. Don't want to see it close above this, really. Else I might just negate my long bias. Actually, what are we doing? I mean, my short bias, but what are we doing? We're in a super bull market right now, and we just swept liquidity right before open, and we're pushing up. Yesterday, I got caught with my pants down trying to go for the downside target near the open. It took me a little too long to adjust, so I mean, this short has to be beautiful for me to take it here. All right. Now, I like that we're sort of feels kind of silly not to try to get long here, honestly. Pushed above yesterday's high. Okay. Didn't close above there yet. Clean trigger, and it's very, very, very tempting. Clean trigger, and it's tempting to get long. I mean, short. Interesting. Okay. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. Oh yeah, come on, let's go. Let's go here. Let's put on a extension from there to there. Get some measurement here. 2.5 almost to the tick. Short trigger here. Who the old me would love to take this short and get wrecked immediately. You know what you can do? You can go long here. And then if it fails, just instead of getting stopped out, just reverse. Let's see what this 5-second looks like. Pretty tight. Pretty tight. Give it a little time. Kill the drawings. 15-minute chart. Minute chart. That closed right at the top of the candle, huh? Do not chase. Chase the price. We do not chase. Chase the price. No, we don't. Chase the price. Clean reversal signal there. I like that reversal actually. Just, like let's just go ahead and show them how it's done. Do we show them right here? Let's show them. Let's show them right here how it's done right quick. Two to one. Super risky. That's why you got to go break even here. Show them how it's done. Nicely done. Why is that a short that I like? Look at this candle. Look at this beauty. No trade in P&L. All P&L is hidden. Let's go 1 minute. First, you trying to go there? I'm trying to go here. Tempting to buy this bull flag. But like I said, I think we might be actually going to have a little bit of correction. I think this was the Judas. And here we have a inverted fair value gap, almost. Love you, wifey. On the 1 minute. Yep. They're not going to give these people a lot of chance to close. So let's go ahead and not FOMO anything right here. We're either going to get a nice something kind of entry something. We're going to let it roll. I mean, how do you play this, right? Like, where's the edge? You know where it's going, but that's not enough. And also, you could be wrong. All right, yeah, 50% of the range. This is the area to possibly get long. Oh yeah, moving average right here. Nice kind of candle right there. It's tricky. Because you got a nice long trigger off the first presented fair value gap. Bull flag. Bull trend. Close to the close to the moving average, but it didn't quite get there. Let's anchor a VWAP from the open. Please and thank you. There we go. So we're actually a little below it. That's trash. This is like a little too bright and pink. Why is it not getting lighter? What the hell? Okay. Meeting some resistance at this inverted fair value gap. 50% pullback. Turtle soup. Definitely a respectable amount of okay. So retrace up this range. Here we go. Now the question is, do I want to get long here or is it going to slice through? Tricky because we're tapping on the bad boy. Hmm. Very tricky. Percent of that range. Oh my god, I've been wanting to sell. I did sell the top. I did get a little taste. Maybe the close of this bar. It's just where does your. It's all about structure in the trade, right? Guess just sell the close of that. Nah, bro, you're not gonna make it that easy. Okay. Nothing to do here. Price just ran away without me. I suppose my sweet entryway up here I could have held, huh? Psych level. 21,400. 80 points lower. Okay, this is momentum right there. Just kind of sell that. Catch this spike down. But tricky market. Oh look, we're violating 50% of this range here, folks. Long trigger from the bottom here, double bottom. I don't see this bouncing. I don't see this bounce working, honestly. Gotta frustrate him now, you know what I mean? This was a target that I had initially outlined when I entered short here. I thought we could hit this. Of course, they got to throw this in there before they do it. Yeah, they're coming for you, London. London is here. It's a nice long trigger from that target. Where's my game plan at? Short, low risk pre-market entry. Check on the long, yesterday's high. Check premium PD array, target in London lows. Premium PD array. Patience, young Padawan. Some duplicate levels going on here. Don't need this or this. Okay, another inverted here. Possible opportunity. Okay. Target 21255. 2 to 1. Two 1 2 9 2. Okie dokie. I tried. Thought this inverted. See, it's a 15-second though. That's a thing. Kind of slack in there. I thought that was a 1 minute in my mind for some reason. All good. Premiumpedia right now currently is this balanced price range. Yesterday's high. Here we are, first presented fair value gap. Is it premium? To be careful here because we did take this liquidity might be enough. Really just think we're going to London lows though. Absolutely do. Stick to the 1 minute. Tiny fair value gap here. %, of this range. Okay. $255. $255. Just using this fair value gap here. Might get broker stop. I don't think so though on this. I will let my broker stop be my stop though. Although this hanging around here is kind of like accumulation. We're holding above the 200. That's a long trigger right there. But, I'm often wrong, and I could be wrong, and that's fine. But I think we're going down here still. I really do. So we'll just see. Nothing to do. Just let it go to target. Mm. See what ES looks like over here. Really do know how to play with your emotions, huh? Nothing to do, just wait. Just sitting in a trade, waiting in a trade. Outcome is unknown. Practice my Bible verses, Yerb. His help in temptation, Hebrews 2:18. For since he himself was tempted in that which he has suffered, he is able to come to the aid of those who are tempted. Am I tempted to close this trade? Yes. Look at this trigger here. Look at this trigger bar. It's beautiful, right? This trigger bar was beautiful. Long trigger, sweeping liquidity in a bull market. And I'm short. So, yes, I'm tempted to close the trade. His help in temptation, Psalms 119, verse 9 and verse 11. How can a young man keep his ways pure? By keeping it according to your word. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I may not sin against you. All right, thank you. Psalms 119, 9, 11. Psalms 119, 9, 11. How can a young man keep his ways pure? By keeping it according to your word. Your word I have kept. Your word I have treasured in my heart. Your word I have treasured in my heart. Your word I have treasured in my heart so that I might not sin against you. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Oh my God, I want to close this trade so bad. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. Your word I have treasured in my heart that I might not sin against you. All right, hold the line here, baby. Let's see. His help in temptation. All right, you're in the fair value gap. Supposed to work. No, seriously though. I think we're good. I think it's still gonna fail. Oh, the new hour's coming, bro. Maybe it's gonna fail in the new hour. Just keep me in the trade. Drawdown. Oh, should I adjust it? So wait, now I'm curious. Why did I take this trade? Now that I'm looking at it. Okay. Broker stop hit. Broker stop hit on that account. I took that trade based off the wrong PD array. I mean the wrong time frame. Look at this beauty. That's the beautiful short right there.
Order filled.
This is the one I should have waited for. Could totally be wrong yet again. The going for these lows, I don't know why. Judas, this bottom is almost like we're ready to go long here a little bit, huh? I don't know why I cannot not short sell. Gonna have to learn. Anyway, sweep liquidity, beautiful short trigger. Terrible fill. I'm filled down here. Um, just think London lows are just a really nice target. Hmm. That's ugly. Why am I trading this? This is just ugly. On the 15-minute looks terrible. 5 minutes looks like I should be short from up here. 5 minute looks like I might not even should be short. Hmm. Hmm. Very uncomfortable being in losing trade after losing trade and then just sitting in this trade. Took two not great trades in my last account. Misread the time frame on one. I guess ultimately I am a little impatient and I don't even realize it. So much to focus on and think about. Thinking about my execution while I'm in the trade. See, now I want to kill this, but if it goes in my favor, I'm going to hate myself for the rest of my life. So I can't do anything, but it just feels very uncomfortable. Thankfully, we're holding underneath the 20, but we're above the 200. And yeah, I can just see this easily ripping up. I mean, we're in a bull market, Rock. Just wait to go long, buddy. Why is it so hard to wait? Hmm. All right. I'm going to let this trade play out however it's going to play out off stream. I'm done for today, for the morning anyway. This is my last trade. Y'all have a great day.